Hi Envision, Captain Planet here, and we're going to talk about Ecohub steps. So there's only 4 steps that we want you to remember. First is to collect your materials. We highly recommend that you bring your own bags, preferably reusable ones. You're probably going to want a plastic one for landfill and or compost. And then the second step is sorting your materials into individual types. So we have 6 materials that are collected at Envision. First is landfill. Hopefully you won't have any. We kept our landfill down to 146 pounds total for the entire event last year. We are really trying to keep it at 0. So we definitely need your help for being able to accomplish that goal. Second is plastic. There's individual types of plastic, but as long as you just keep plastics by themselves, once you bring it to the Ecohub, we'll assist you with how to sort those individually. Third is glass, then it's aluminum, we have cardboard and paper products, and then the last one is compost. So once you have all your materials sorted, then you're going to bring them to the Ecohub. The only material that we don't want you to bring to the Ecohub is compost. The best way to get rid of your compost is take it to either the Food Vendor 1 or Food Vendor 2 booths next to the village stage and craft vendors, and you can dispose of it there really easily. So take all your other materials to the Ecohub, and then wait to be assisted by an Eco crew member, and then we will help you sort your materials individually. And if you sort them by yourselves, it will really help the amount of time that you have to spend at the Ecohub. We'd love to have you guys come by anytime, ask any questions that you want. And we are also going to be doing recycling games, so if you guys want to come have a good time, learn how to recycle in different ways, come join us. We're going to be giving out free gifts to winners and stuff like that. So hope to see you out there. Enjoy and sort your materials beforehand. It'll save you a lot of time. Cheers.